This property is a 2-bedroom, 2 full baths, contemporary design home. This property is listed for $210,000. Interior features of this property include a separate laundry room, carpeted flooring, and natural gas heat. On the outside, this property features privacy fencing and a patio. Community amenities include a bicycle or walking path. The approximate square footage is 1,184 square feet. This property is represented by
Nellie Arrington, Long and Foster.